Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change the database of Primavera. And if you don't know how to install the software, so you can go and see the previous video. In the videos, you can see how we can install and how to change how to install the software that I have already shown in the previous video. Now today I'm going to show you how you can change your database and how you can create the database. So this is the software. Now what we will do, we will go here in the database, and here in the database we will change. And as you can see this, sorry, here I will go to this add button, and here we need to select this driver type, and I will select this driver type. And here these all are the paid versions, so we need to select this standalone and then okay. Now go to this and select this standalone database connection, then next. And here we need to enter our password like this. I will assign the password, then yes, make it yes. I want to overwrite it, yes, and then finish. So now you can see this professional one database I have created. Now select this and go to select. Now I enter the password here. You can enter the password and you can see the software will open like this. So this way we can install the software. And if you find this video is informative, then keep watching, and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.